Hi everyone, am I audible? Hello. Okay. How is everyone doing right now? Okay, I see a lot of people. Nice. Where are you all from? Oh, I'm not that done. Lucknow, Pune. Okay. Hyderabad, Jhansi, Gujarat, Prayagraj. Okay. Rohtak, West Bengal, Kerala, Assam, Andhra, Jhansi, Pune again, Rajasthan. Okay. Yeah, Chennai, Gujarat. Nice. Okay. Most of you are from North, I can see. Cool. So yeah, some of you are requesting to start soon. So yeah, let's start. Uh, Team, can you help me load the presentation? Thank you. Can you full screen this? Okay, that works. So, and thank you. First, I want to start with thanking all of you for the overwhelming response that you have shared. We have crossed 45,000 registrations for this year, and that's the highest GSoC has ever been, and we are still growing. I see a lot of you posting questions, but we will be getting to Q&A session as well at the end of the session. So just give me a little bit of time to explain all the things, like for the first time people who are starting their open source journey for the first time will be doing a bit of introduction what GSoC is, and we will be going through the platform and what different things we have, the leaderboard, how it works, and everything. Okay, uh, let's scroll it a bit. Yes, so some of you might have seen this guide that we had shared earlier. This is where we have talked about all the new features that we have been working on towards making this edition even a better edition uh, than we had previous, to give you all a better experience than previous years. Uh, let's scroll a little bit. Yes. So before we get to the main stuff, here's a bit of background who might not be aware about this. So GSoC has been running since 2018, and this is the ninth edition that we are doing. There have been several editions, and the numbers have kept growing. Initially, we started from few thousands to now we have crossed 50K. We are almost going to cross 50K this year, and overall the community has been really really crazy. If we see your the LinkedIn gets 1 million impressions each month, and then we are also near to crossing 200K followers there. So if you haven't followed us on LinkedIn yet, please go there and drop a follow. Yeah, can you scroll down? Can you scroll down? Yeah, just so can you go to the key date section? Yeah. So as you might be aware, like we started the application from 25th of March, and then we started our contribution period from 15th May, and this is a 3 month initiative, so it will run till 14th August midnight, and then we will stop the contribution period at there, and then a recalculation of all the this, the recalculation of all the points, and we will verify that all the contributions that you have made are they done properly. If there are any contributions where people have tried to get extra points than what is there, so we'll fix those kind of issues. If there are any missing peers that didn't get any points, so we'll work on that. Our team's constantly working on checking all the applications or all the peers that are getting merged. We constantly keep a watch on if there's any malpractice happening. Are the mentors, are the project admin supporting the contributors in a fair way? Are all the labels being utilized in proper ways? We constantly keep checking. We have also received a few reports of people where the labels were not properly done by the admins, and we are constantly aware of this scenarios, and we are working towards them. We are in touch with the project admins, and those things will get resolved in a few days. So once the contribution period ends in 10 to 15 days, it will take us for proper reviewing of all the top positions. And once it is done, we will release a final leaderboard in September, and we will announce all the winners who will get swags, letter of recognition, certificates, and everything. If I come to talk about the tracks, this year we have introduced Agents for India track, where we will be covering basics of how what AI is, how it works, what AI agents are, and then how you can build your first AI agent. You can also see a new bounty that has gone live a few days ago, which is also a first step towards start process. We have started an ideathon where you can contribute your ideas, and you can also earn 300 points once you submit the idea. So if you haven't yet gone for it, please go there and check that bounty and submit your idea there as well. And also, if you have seen the workshop series, that the whole calendar that we announced, there's a week full of AI track workshops that will be happening from the engineers who are working on AI agents directly, and they will be guiding you on what exactly the things are, how they work, and they will be teaching you for everything. Even if you don't know anything about what AI is, we will be guiding you through each and every process. And at the end of uh, let's say in 3 to 4 weeks, you will be able to create your own AI agent and deploy it on a full scale. Can we get to the next slide? Yeah, thank you. This might be the first screen that you might be going through once you receive the application uh, accepted email. And we have added a little confetti once you go to that page. And as you can see, at the top we are requesting everyone to contribute, because this is a completely open source. This is a completely not-for-profit initiative that Belcher Foundation runs, and we rely on support from everyone to help us in running this program in a very successful way, because due to the scale at which currently we are working on, with 45,000 people constantly go into our website, it sometimes it struggles to keep up with itself, and then therefore we are trying to raise support from you people so that we can keep operating the service and provide a better experience to all of you. I can see a lot of questions. Team, I think please go through the chat as well and keep note of all the questions. We'll at the end of the session, we will do a quick Q&A session. Yeah. So on this page, you can see a few different things that are there. You will be given option to download all the badges that for the roles that you have selected for. Even you can select all. You can see all the roles that you have been selected for. You can see all the badges for those roles, and then you can download it. And please do post it on all the socials. Our team will come there, and as our intern has said that he will climb out of the screen and give you a warm up. So please do post about those badges, and we would love to interact with your post. And then there's also an option to uh, join our Discord server. Once you click on that, it will authenticate your Discord profile, and it will automatically give you all the roles according to what role you have been selected for, and it will allocate you access to all the different channels that are there, and you will be able to communicate through those medium. We have received a few issues from people that they have been it's not able to connect through Discord properly. So our team, you can connect with us on email. You can send us an email, or you can DM us on other social. Our team will help you out with those issues as well. They'll send you a fresh invite link, and they'll add you to different channels. Uh, can we go to the next slide? Yeah. So for the people who have been selected for the campus ambassador role, they will be able to see the referral code as well as a referral link. Either you can share the referral link and directly ask them to apply. They wouldn't have to do any additional step or fill your code separately. The code will automatically get detected, and you will be awarded uh, the referral points once they have completed the submission. Or else you can also share your referral code and ask people to add that referral code at the end of your at the end of their application journey, and that would be it. You will automatically the referral will automatically get counted, and you will be awarded the points accordingly. Rest, if as you can see, that we also have a newsletter which we will be making active very soon. So if you haven't subscribed to the newsletter yet, you should go now and do it. I think we have 15-20K people who have joined that newsletter already. So we will be starting to roll out some good articles, good guides on open source very soon on through there as well. So if you haven't yet, go there and subscribe. Next slide. Yeah. So if you this is the basic guideline page that we have. If you are not sure of different things, or if you just want a basic guideline, like what this page covers the code of conduct that we have, the policies that we enforce. We have seen people who are spamming a lot, and for that we have different procedures that we follow. If we receive a complaint from any if we receive any complaint from any of the project admin that a contributor is spamming PRs there, so we will be sending out a warning mail to that contributor. If they do not respond, it might result in being getting removed from the program if you continue to spam and do not justify uh, the work that you have done. Can we go to the next slide? Yeah. So this year we also have launched this profile page. You can see different things over here. You will be able to. This profile page can also be shared with public to uh, view all the PRs that you have done. You can also see the badges that you have done. It would be the idea behind this was creating a page where it can be a resume kind of for people who have participated in GSoC, and they could easily share this link with other people to show the activity of that they have done throughout uh, the 3 months. All your PRs that you have contributed to will be displayed here. Uh, the whole activity for the 3 months will also be displayed, similar to how you have a heat map on GitHub. And then you will be also able to download the various milestone badges that you will get throughout your journey. We have different milestones based on your points, your ranking, and other things. And next slide. Yeah. So here you can see a little bit of more about the milestone badges that we have. Total, we have 25 different badges that are currently there. It based on even the bounties, you can see the progress that you have made across uh, different milestones, and you will be able to download the badges and share it publicly, as I mentioned. Yeah, next slide. Yeah. Uh, we have introduced a few bounty system. We earlier also had the Cloudinary task that was live in partnership with Cloudinary. Now, that was a free certification program where you could take part and gain some skills about what Cloudinary is, understand what the platform is, and you can learn more about the new initiatives that are there. The initiative, the that bounty can also become live in few days. We are working on making it even better for the audience. So therefore, for some time, it is currently offline. It may be live again in a few days. Rest, we currently have five different bounties that you can access, which include different tasks such as following us on Twitter, posting on LinkedIn, and other tasks that are there. So if you haven't done already, go that, check all the bounties that are available, and get your points to be added on leaderboard. Next slide. And yeah. Yeah. So this is a projects page that we have. If you go to gsoc.gossip.org/projects, you will be able to see all the projects that are there. We are constantly adding new projects as well there. So if you have registered already and are waiting to get accepted, GitHub team is constantly reviewing all the applications that we have received, and shortly in few days you will be receiving more applications of more acceptance for the project admins that are there. Our goal is to I think we have received more than thousand around 1,500 project admin applications. So we are constantly reviewing those applications, and you will be able to see more projects becoming live in the upcoming weeks, so that people are people can find more issues to contribute to. Can you scroll down a bit? Just a little above where we can see the page for projects. Yeah. So you might be aware of this page. Once you click on any of the projects that are described here, it will open a separate page for you where you will be able to find all the different issues that are there. You can filter those based on your track. You can filter those based on what tech stack you have, or the difficulty level that you want, or the issue type that you want to tackle to. And based on that, you will be able to see different issues that are listed there. On the right hand side, you can also see the different mentors that are available to contribute to that, to help you guide throughout the journey. And you will be able to ask them to help you understand like what issue this is, how can you contribute, how can you make it better, is your contribution valid. You can contact them, you can ask them, you can ping them, and once they have reviewed it, you can submit that via to be merged, to be reviewed and merged. And then once it's merged with the right labels, you will be awarded points for it. Next slide. Yeah, I think this we have covered already. This is the more page where you see the detailed view of all the projects that are listed there. You can access their GitHub. You can by clicking on each issue, you can go to that issue directly, and you can start contributing from there. You can also view uh, different metadata about what the organization is, many people are following it, how many people have started, how many issues are currently open there, and the labels that are active there, what type of project that is, a basic introduction. Even if you want, even if they have a live deployed URL, you will be able to see that and go through and to understand more what this project is about. Next slide. Next slide. Yeah. So again, this is a mentor page. If you are finding that the mentors that have been listed on the project page are not responding, you can go to this page. We have added a lot more mentors here as well, and we will be adding more mentors in the upcoming weeks. Similar to the project admins, the GitHub team constantly reviews on each mentor and project admin applications, and we need to make want that each project is well qualified enough to be added as project in GitHub, sorry, in GSoC. So for that reason, we are taking a little extra time there. We're putting more efforts in verifying those applications, and once that is done, we will be making more of them live. So yeah, you can see here that different mentors are listed, and once you click on any of the mentor application, mentor profile, you will be given a detailed view of their profile, a bio, and for how much experience they have and how much time will they be contributing each week. Plus, you will be able to see their contributions. You will be able to see the socials from where you can contact them. You can see the GitHub where you can tag them and ask them to help you with reviewing of any of the contribution. Next slide. Yeah, guidelines I think we have covered already, so we can go to the next slide. One more thing that I forgot to mention about the guidelines was we also have a AI content guideline, uh, which we have specifically added for a reason that a lot of contributors, uh, we all know that this is the era of AI, and Claude is very good at coding. So a lot of people tend to use Claude, ChatGPT for other AI tools to help them with coding, and based on the guidance that the project admin set for their project, they might not accept the AI code. So we have strictly added this AI conduct guideline to not use the AI in a malicious way, that you are completely doing all the work by AI and you're not just using. You can use AI to a certain limit to just review that if what you're done is for the best practice or not, but do not overuse the AI and do the complete task using AI itself. Yeah, next. Yeah. So here you can see this is the leaderboard page. You all might have gone and refreshed through that several times. Uh, Here you the first section that you see is it combines all the different roles and shows the points based on that. But the final leaderboard ranking that will be there, it will be rule based, and it will not be just a combination of all the different roles that are there. There will be separate ranking for ambassadors. There will be separate ranking for contributors, project admins, and mentors. And we are also receiving, like as I mentioned earlier as well, we have received queries about some people who are trying to gain points through different ways which are not allowed in the program. So we will be taking care. I can assure you that our team is constantly reviewing it, and once those are properly reviewed, we before announcing the final leaderboard, we will be reviewing all the points people have tried to get through wrong ways. Okay, next. Okay. So this is a tracker page that we have created for the ambassadors. If you enter your referral code that is there, you will be able to see all the people who have applied to your referral code, what their status is, are they approved or not. You will be able to see the basic analytical data that when they applied, how many have you applied, sorry, how many people have used your code, and everything. All sort of data will be available here for your search and understanding. Next slide. So Coming to different ways we allocate points, there these are the very base points that you get once your application is accepted based on the role that you have been selected for. These are the base points, depending on to the profile that you have created, the things that you have submitted, it will award you the points for those roles. Can you scroll it a bit? Yeah. So as you can see, depending on the different during the profile submission, what questions you have answered and how much willingness you have shown towards, let's say, for mentors, as we can see on the screen. Depending on if you are available for more than 10 hours plus per week, you will be given 15 points more for on the leaderboard for that reason. Let's go below. Can you scroll a bit more? Yeah. So here you can see the different labels that we have created for this year, on basis of which we are calculating the points. Once anyone uses the GSOC approved label, we automatically track that repo. Uh, we automatically track that PR and the contributor, and we give points to all the people who are involved in that. A basic of 50 point per GSOC approved label is given, and then depending on different level, different difficulty level, quality, and bonus points, uh, we allocate different points. Can you scroll it a bit more to show that? Yeah. So here you can see that based on what the quality of the PR was, what the level of contribution was, and other things, we give different points based on that. And for mentors as well, you will have to use mentor, the username of the mentor to give allocate points to them. Here you can see the type bonus, that is the if it's just stock, so you get 5 points. Testing, design, refactor get 10 points, and then accessibility, performance, DevOps get 15 points. Security has 20 points. We can skip this. We have already gone through this. Can you get to the next slide? Yeah. So again, we thank everyone who have applied for this year, who are part of GSOC this edition, and to all the people who have made a donation to GSOC. We are really thankful to all of your contributions, and because of that, we are able to scale up the service a bit more, so that you might have noticed the experience improving a little. There are lesser downtimes now than it was a few days back, because we are actively trying to scale up our service through the support that we have received from each one of you. If you have not contributed yet, if you have not made a donation yet, I would still like to request you for a small donation, like any amount of donation that you would want to make. The reason I think some of you have faced this issue that there's not you're not able to contribute below the amount of unit, is because Reason has set a minimum amount required, that we are trying to work around that, so that even smaller donations could be accepted. But right now, Reason has set that amount, and therefore we are working towards it. Can you get to the next slide? Yeah. So that was a bit of introduction from my end about what the program is, how everything looks, and let's have a Q&A session with all of you. I see a lot of questions. So, team, can you help me with all the questions that are there? Can we have a little summary of the questions? Please tell the weekly schedule of submitting the PS, how to do it, and what's the best time of thing. There's no such time or schedule for when you can submit. Whenever you get time throughout any time during the day, you can make a submission. Uh, Once it is merged with the proper labels, we will automatically track it. We try to run the cycles from between 24 to 48 hours. After you have merged the peer, it will automatically get tracked and you will receive the points for that. Okay. Can you show demo of how to do it? We will be having a workshop very soon on how to select projects, how to make a contribution. We'll even have projects on a lot simpler topics such as what GitHub is, what VS Code is, and how you can set your proper environment to start contributing. So we will be covering all the basics. Even if you are not a developer, you don't know anything about contribution, we will be working on it. We will be providing you with workshops where we will cover everything from scratch, and at the end of this workshop series, you will be able to make your contribution for the first time in the open source. Currently, we do not have a stipend program for GSoC currently. We do provide swags to the top 50 people under each category at the end of the initiative. If our multiple peers are rejected, are we gonna be disqualified? Uh, you might be disqualified if you have been spamming a lot. If it is getting difficult, you might face a shadow ban, or depending on the seriousness of the reason that your PR is getting disqualified, there might be certain things that might happen. But it won't be direct disqualification. We will warn you about it in advance, and if you do not take an action on it, you may face a ban or disqualification. Yeah, as I mentioned, we do not offer stipend, but the top three contributors, the top three from each category, uh, we try to give them cash prizes, with details of which will be announced in few days. Nearest towards the end of the initiative, we will announce what the cash prizes will be for the top three. For the top 50 in under each category, they will be getting a swag kit, and the rest of the people will be getting certificates. The top 50 will also get a letter of recommendation, and we will be trying to offer as much more as we can, depending on the support that we get from the community. If we are able to raise a good enough goal, we can extend the top prizes for everyone. What duration will it take to merge? It depends on the project admin and the mentor who is reviewing the application. Once you have submitted it for review, the mentor or the project admin will review it, and if they find it good, they will give it the labels and they will merge it from their end. Can you? Yeah, we will be yeah, as I said, that we have a lot of workshops that we have planned in the series where we will be talking about connecting with mentors, selecting the right projects, how to select different issues, to pick uh, which issue will be better for you. So it will be live soon. have been selected as contributor. You will be able to apply to. You will be able to take part in the Agents of AI, Agents for India track as well. And for ambassador program, if you want to apply, you will have to create a new application using a different ID. And once you have created that, uh, you will be that application will be getting selected. Some of the mentors are not active. Okay, we will be checking on that. The GitHub team will review it. As we talked about it earlier as well, we will be adding a lot more mentors in the next week as well. So you will be able to see a lot of mentor activity happening. For that as well, we have received 1,000 plus applications. So the team is currently reviewing all of them, and we will soon be inviting a lot of mentors to help the contributors in reviewing the the PRs as well. Okay. No, it's not necessary for you to work on just one issue for a duration of 1 week. You can work on various issues, but make sure that you are maintaining the quality and you are not just spamming different issues to get the points. If you're facing any issues with any particular project admin or any particular mentor, you can always report that to the team through various platforms. You can email us, you can talk to the team via DMing us on our social platforms, or you can even raise a ticket on the Discord. Our team will take a note of it. They will get in touch with that mentor or that project admins and understand if there's any particular issue, why they haven't responded. If they are not able to provide a proper justification for it, uh, we might take certain actions against them, and we will add different replacement projects for them. Maximum how much time we can take for to solve a single there's not such a time limit that is there, but what might happen is if you take too much time to respond to a particular issue, it might get allocated to a different contributor, so keep that in mind. If your PR got merged and it's not getting reflected on the portal, you can raise a ticket about it on the Discord. Our GitHub team will check that issues and understand like what particular reason might be there for which the PR is not getting reflected, and we will take a look at that. Cloudary tasks, as I mentioned, we are working on towards it to bring it back, but there's no particular timeline that we have in our mind right now for when it will be back, but we are trying to bring it. On the swags part, we will be announcing on a social what different swags will be there for this year. We will be taking the intern will be taking a poll on what design is good, which design should the swags be in for this year. So you will hear about those very soon via the intern on social media. Okay, we'll go through 2 or 3 questions more, and then we'll wrap up. The team will take a note of the rest of the questions, and we will keep covering those in the leader program as well. So, last 2 to 3 questions. Daily, we should submit the projects. It's not that you should submit daily to different projects. Uh, Even if you submit one PR per week, it will count towards your active. As you can, as we have shown earlier, that there is a heat map on your profile that tracks your weekly contribution. So if you are contributing at least once a week, so you will be able to see green patches all over your profile. If not, so it might break your weekly streak that is there. Most of the good first issues are taken. So we are trying to bring more projects and more good first issues that are there. Uh, it is in the next week itself, you will be able to see a lot more projects becoming live, and their issues will be there as well. Yeah, you can be part of both open source as well as AI for agents track, and you can contribute for both. Uh, the agents for AI team, the agents for India team will be doing the workshops very soon, so we will be covering this doubts there. The top 50 contributors generally get the LOR, the letter of recommendation. So we will be trying to expand it to more contributors if there is a good amount of contributors in top 100. Then we might expand it to top 100 contributors as well. Certificates everyone will be getting who have at least made some contribution. So they will be getting a certain participation certificate at the end of the initiative. Okay, I think we have covered most of the questions. How do the score will be calculated for AI agent tracks? Once the AI agent track is live, we will be sharing more details on it. How the points will be calculated for that. There will be different activities that you will be needing to do there. There will be different subtasks as well. Based on that, you will be awarded points. Okay. I think that's it for this session. Hope you enjoyed the time and got to know a little bit more about what GSoC is. But the team will be checking and going through all the comments. If I missed anything, they will be responding to that issues. And we will be doing this sessions more and more. So there you can get doubts and we will go through them there as well. So thank you for joining. Uh, we'll see you again, and hope you follow us on all the social media platforms and stay active there. Go through all the projects. Not able to access. We'll check on that. So this is it. We will if you are facing any issues, please raise a ticket on Discord or reach out to us via email and other social platforms. Our team is constantly trying to interact with as many as people and solve as many as issues as we can. We are also expanding our volunteering team that is working with GSoC. So if you had applied as a team volunteer application, so you might also get a mail very soon for that. Uh, Saying that, thank you everyone for your time. We are actually expanding a little. So thank you everyone for your time, and we'll see you again in the next session. Your team.